Hello and welcome to Vec P&E. Yeah, I was talking to the other day about the GSG 1911 pistol that I got my hands on. You know, I've just spent the last 30 minutes or so cleaning it all out, stripping it all down, so, you know, I decided why not get the camera out so I can show you all it. And here it is. I don't know if it's going to pick up. Let's see how it works. Yeah, there you can see clips there. Here's the pistol. Nice little handgun, to say the least. You can see I've just been cleaning it. Just got done. Yeah, and that's my 1911. Thanks all for watching and hope to catch you all soon. Vec P&E, putting his gun back together. Catch you all soon, everybody. Ride safe.